The way, guys, this is my old account when I was 9. You know, look at it. My house got fired, and then this is my old account, main account. Look at it. I'm sorry for not posting, guys, because I have fun in TikTok, and I have 300 followers. Look at it. I am so sorry. But they didn't like me anymore. Look at it. This is my old account. My house got fired because my uncle did it. Look at it. I'm I'm crying all day, and then look at it. I have I have 130 subscribers. I already know that. But I think that right now. This is my new main account. This is my new main account, but for subscribers. Look at it. Bye, guys.